Did you know 3 easy ways to quit smoking? You never value something good until it's gone. Don't take your health for granted. Care for your lungs so they can take care of you. The benefits of quitting smoking can improve your quality of life. Try these tips for help. Mark a quit day on your calendar and commit. You can't really prepare or plan for it much. That will just lead to procrastination. It's like ripping off a band-aid. Just do it. Contact your doctor and ask whether nicotine patches would be a good option for you. Remember that there is no such thing as just one more cigarette after you quit. Keep away from smoker company and take up other activities that you enjoy.
An easy and convenient way of contacting a doctor for expert medical advice would be online. MyLiveDoctors is one of the best medical apps for patients that allows people to get treated from the comfort of their own home for basic, everyday health problems that do not require emergency care. Book your doctor appointment online and get the answers you're looking for. For more details, please visit www.mylivedoctors.com.